Welcome back, friends. Let us see again how to install the visors, the window door visors for a Scorpio. This is a box, pack of 6, 3 onto the right and 3 onto the left. It's a door visor set which is readily available in the market for every vehicle. This is how it looks. So let us know the benefits of this door visor first. So by installing these visors, we have very good benefits. It goes something like this. This is a heavy duty attachment. In door visors, usually 2 types of door visors are available in the market. One is the width of the visor will be little narrower, and what I bought is wide visors. It's called heavy duty attachment. No more rain or dirt. So rain and dirt are completely avoided. So that we can, while driving at some speed, we can open the window glasses a little bit lower to some extent, by which fresh air, always we can feel the fresh air. And also it prevents, during the rainy season, it prevents windscreen fogging, which as we all know, it's a major problem which everybody face, and of course it maintains a safe driving. Now let us see the visors one by one. We have a pack of 6 visors in this. The other one. Okay. This is how it is. A visor which has a tape behind. It's a double-sided gum tape with a paper strip covered on it. Once we remove the paper strip, and straight away it can be stick to the door. Come, let's see how we are going to stick these things to the door. It's quite simple, and these are not so expensive things also, but it's very useful for a vehicle. As we all know, everybody likes to get these things. Very, very useful things. This is the curved one, which is a front window visor, and the straight piece will be the second middle door window visor. And Scorpio, as we have 3 windows, so the final piece will be at the end. Now let us see how to remove the paper strip. It's quite simple. Using a sharp knife or any blade or a spin, just peel the paper, one edge of the paper. That is all. Straight away you can pull off the whole paper piece like that. After peeling the red piece of paper, it looks like this. It's very sticky, as we can see. It sticks. It has gum. It's a double-sided gum tape. Firstly, we have to wipe the doors with a wet cloth and a dry cloth, so that dust particles should not be there on the door. In case of any dust deposited on the doors, then these stickers may not stick thoroughly, and our visors may fall while driving at any place without our notice. This is how it looks. Now let us see how it can be stick to the window door. Before pasting the window visors, let us wipe it with a wet cloth. Dust free area. is good for sticking any kind of stickers. Now the surface is ready for pasting our window visors. Like this, gently stick it to the top and just rub it like this. It's quite simple. It's done. Let us go for the second one. Now the second piece, it's a straight piece. Gently paste it like this. It's done. That's it. As I said, a Scorpio will have 3 pieces. This is how the third piece looks like. It's quite nice. Just rub it hard. The visors are ready. Similarly, the other 3 on the other side also has to be sticked. It's quite simple. Thank you.